The information leaked.
Izobera polisi ha paramenti yakwata babiri nibakorora kugaba sente z'obuyambo mu ruguru site aba babizira mu kaciko ka paramenti ka Public Accounts Committee ngo bakakozesa akagishaka kugabira abanyabuzare n'abanyamukaga babiri batashamirire kuba no batunga sente ezi abakozi ba banka kandi hona na ba kansara ba speaker ba GULU abakaciko nabo no bagira ngo bakwatwe.
Achiro Ariet, please follow the police. Nam Dennis, go and record your statement with the police. When you study this list, you will realize that there are a lot of distortions and irregularities. And that is an indication that the entire process was not followed correctly.
Bitu baba kwatwa bichiriza nko kubatungire sente ezo kandi bagira ngo bakaba batari kubimanya ngo nahabwe cyane bashabo kusasurwa.
Yes, please proceed.
Officer Attendant.
Achiro, you registered as a street vendor and received 100,000. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
We have Ojara Samuel, registered as a street vendor. But this is a leader, a division leader in Laropede, councillor for Pagea Ward.
Baba Nyishengero, bajumerere kikorwa iki.
And I also pray that you should not only stop in GULU, you should move in all the municipalities and cities so that we clean Uganda.
Government kahereza ofisi y'inganzi y'ihanga kukorwa Robina na Banja esente ziri kwingana billion 5 kuhebwa abantu ababire batarukwe basombwire bwa lockdown bite mitwari kumeji zikazomba babiri batashemerire kuzitunga.